I've get my MSUV 280, my miter saw table. Oh my god, look at this metal when you open it. Ah, now this is metal. When you talk about strong and something heavy duty, you get a Milwaukee. Oh my god, it look nice. Ooh, we're gonna see. I'm gonna put it together. Give me a couple of minutes. You want to get the job done? Let Milwaukee do the job for you. I have this set of 1/2 inch that I used to put the screws, and I have an adapter, a 1/2 inch adapter. I use it on the new Quiet Boy, and trust me, it was enough with number 1 to get a very good tight. It's small, but it have a good job. It make a good work. I just have an adapter on it, so I get to and more speed. And that's the louder it can get. It's like you are doing nothing. Nice. Now, the MSUV 280. This is something. And it's very easy to put together. You just press this one and lift up, and you hear the click. That's it. It doesn't take too much space. Easy to handle, easy to move. Okay, but first I will not put on it a Milwaukee saw. I will put on it the small Makita that I use outside and try to go through around several places with it, and we will see how strong it holds the saw. Because if a Makita fall down, no problem, but a Milwaukee fall down, I will cry. Damn, DeWalt, try this for a challenge. Can you do something even 50% similar to this perfection? No way. You have these tables with 4 legs that you need to carry a 15 kilos on your back wherever you go. Okay, enjoy guys.